We have developing news now in the funding freeze fight. A federal judge in Providence has given an initial victory to state AGs who are seeking to halt the Trump administration's plan to freeze federal grant money.
Target 12 investigator Tim White is here now with the latest. Tim?
Mike Shannon, Rhode Island was in the national spotlight this afternoon in this high-stakes fight. That's because the multi-state lawsuit was filed in federal court in Providence. And just a short time ago, Rhode Island's chief federal judge said he's inclined to put a halt to the president's funding freeze. In a remote hearing Wednesday afternoon from federal court in Providence, 23 attorneys general asked Judge John McConnell to temporarily halt President Donald Trump's plan to freeze trillions in federal grant money. An attorney for the Trump administration tried to convince McConnell that he should toss the AG's lawsuit because early Wednesday afternoon, the administration rescinded the budget memo that stoked fears. But a lawyer for the Rhode Island Attorney General's office pointed to this tweet posted a short time later by the White House press secretary, which said this is not a rescission of the federal funding freeze. It is simply a rescission of the OMB memo. McConnell agreed, but said that meant the administration lawyer's argument was a distinction without a difference.
Number one, illegal. Number two, inadvisable. And number three, just stupid politics.
Congressman Seth Magaziner has been a vocal critic of the Trump administration's moves.
And I think even as a layperson who reads that memo, it looks like something that was written by a middle schooler.
Judge McConnell has asked the attorneys general to draft a temporary restraining order that he will consider signing. Roger Williams School of Law Dean Gregory Bowman says judges grant such orders if they find people could be hurt while a legal battle plays out.
A court will issue a TRO that is a very short duration to take a further look at the matter before any actions can be taken.
This was a remote hearing streamed on the court's YouTube channel. At one point, roughly 1,300 people had tuned in. With the Target 12 investigators, Tim White, 12 News.